What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today. As you can see, we just now broke out of an uptrend here with Shiba Inu, but we're still going on an uptrend. But remember, please hit that like button, subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. Got sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of stuff that I'm going to be going over. One of my next videos will probably be Shiba Inu. Shout out to the Shibarmy. But anyways, let's get going over this right now. So first things first with Shiba Inu. Let's look at our technical analysis. So the first thing I want to say is consolidation. That's huge right here. Look at this. This right here was a consolidation period. And at the end of the consolidation periods, I always say whenever we're at the end of our consolidation period, we will always have a rise in price or a drop in price if it's a downward trend that the consolidation is going on. So this consolidation was actually going on an uptrend, as you can see here with this line here is the uptrend, and this consolidation was going up on an uptrend. So as you can see, when we reached right up here, we got rejected at this resistance, and then we had to retrace a little bit and came back to try it again, but we got rejected again at the same resistance. So we keep getting rejected at that resistance. So we didn't have enough momentum. So what's happening is here, we actually broke out of our positive trend line, and now we're about to retest this support. And after we retest this support line, if we break it and continue to go down, we will hit this next support line. I do not believe that we will break it and go down though, and I'll explain why in a second. But anyways, I do believe that when we do hit this support line, we're most likely going to end up coming back to this uptrend and then retesting this again, and hopefully we can actually break out of it and then do something like this and get to this next resistance line. But we did get rejected twice, so let's talk about this now. Look at this consolidation period. Look at how we consolidated there. So the only difference between right here and right here, like this wasn't even a consolidation period. This was just Shiba Inu trying to break out of the resistance. This was just Shiba Inu trying to, break out of it. But it really wasn't consolidation here. It was just straight across here. As you can see, there was lots of resistance. We just got rejected. That's all that was. So hopefully we do not get rejected again. Hopefully we can hold this support and we can actually retest our resistance and actually build up some momentum. So let's talk about the technical analysis through the professional's point of view. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's go over this technical analysis now. So Whale buys 150 billion Shiba Inu coins. Shib continues to uptrend. So look, you could kind of see when this is a huge purchase right here from there to there. That was huge. And the same person who bought there was probably the same person who sold out there and made it drop. You got to think about that. It's like the same amount of movement up to the same amount of movement down. So they probably sold a lot of Shib as well. So a mysterious large whale investor bought $1.1 million worth of Shib tokens on September 5th. So we're going to go over that. Sheep traders started a petition on change.org for asking commissionless exchange to list Shiba Inu coin. And we'll actually go over there now to view that. So Shiba Inu change.org. And then it was the, let's go back over here so we can look at that. So sheep traders started a petition for change.org asking for commissionless exchange. So just type inside commissionless exchange, and then it will probably come up as the first thing. I know I probably spelled it way wrong. I mean, let's just go over that because I probably spelled that wrong. But anyways, let's try to find that petition. I want to find the actual petition, so I'll actually come to you guys later on with it because it's probably going to take a little while to actually find it unless they actually show us a link. They tell us about it, but don't show us any links for it. But anyways, I'll probably put a link there when I find it. But anyways, cryptocurrency market and analysts believe that Shiba Inu coin can overtake Dogecoin. So Shiba Inu coin resumes upward climb. Analysts set a target of the 0.000009 area. So that would bring us way up here. So 0.0009, that is way up here. And we have a long way till that. But anyways, let's keep going over this technical analysis. So Shib rally continues. Analysts set a target of the 0.000009 area. Shiba Inu coin has garnered mainstream attention yet again as the Shib community's petition to list the token on a commission-free exchange Robinhood. Okay. All right, I was about to say, what are they talking about? Because we've been had that Robinhood petition. So yeah, it's the Robinhood petition. We've been had it. I don't know why they're talking about it now. It's at 181,000, yeah, but it's been out for months, and I've been talking about that. But anyways, in a recent report, the exchange disclosed that 62% of its crypto revenue in Q2 of 2021 came from Dogecoin. This has inspired the Shib community to get the token listed on the exchange, stating that it has genuine potential to offer double-digit gains to traders. So let's redo this. Change.org Shiba Inu. All you got to do is type is change.org Shiba Inu is the first thing that pops up. It actually popped up when I typed it first, but I was looking for something else. But anyways, look at this: 181,000 people, almost 200,000 people. Robinhood will be listing Shiba Inu soon. I just know it deep down. They have to. If they don't, Robinhood is really slipping. They're really slacking because they haven't added any new cryptos since they made the cryptos available. So I don't know why they don't just hurry up and add something new like they need to, because if they don't, then they're just going to lose a lot of business. Anyways, Tristan Luke, a proponent of the Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency, stated the petition nearly 4 months ago with 20,000 more signatures is set to become one of the top signed petitions on the website change.org. So the token's price has been up nearly 20% in the past 30 days, and trader sentiment is bullish as Shib continues its climb. A mysterious large wallet investor recently added 150 billion Shib to their wallet while the token witnessed a massive surge in price. The whale is known to have converted their Ethereum holdings to Shiba Inu coin. So this is the whale they're talking about. Boom, big whale stuff right here. Let's actually go straight there so we can see what they're talking about here and see this whale that they're talking about. So I guess this is what they're talking about here. The whale that's their Shib, it was $1.1 million Shiba Inu. I don't like the way that whale stats is set up at all. So let's actually back up here. And I love Etherscan. You know, it's the best for any ERC20 token out there. Like, it's literally the best ERC20 platform, if you want to call it, out there. All right, so let's look for this whale over here, $1.1 million. And this is the only thing about Etherscan, you gotta like manually look through it, so it's gonna be harder to actually do that. So no, not this one. So yeah, you're probably gonna have to go through a lot of these different whale wallets to actually find one that is, you know, the one that they're talking about here, because there's a lot of $1.1 million accounts inside here. So yeah, a lot of $1.1 million accounts. Actually, I think it might be this one, 112 million right here. Sorry, you've reached your maximum request limit for this resource, blah blah blah. And back up, and actually this one right here would be the 1.1 million, but yep, there it is. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this one. I don't know. This whale right here is selling a lot of sheep, so maybe they're also causing Shiba Inu to keep dropping. But anyways, like I said, 650,000 people holding Steve. That's 650,601 people. Hit that refresh button and you'll see a lot more. 650,591. Okay, so we probably lost a little bit. But anyways, big stuff here with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is just going to go crazy. I mean, come on. Shiba Inu has to go up. Anyways, the token's price has been up nearly 20% in the last 30 days. And then we were just now talking about this, the whale wallet. So shout out to that whale, but that whale probably is selling out as we speak. So the said wallet holds cryptocurrencies worth $158.4 million based on data from whale stats. So they have a lot of money here. Historically, whale movements drive the volatility of Shiba Inu to Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrencies, Doge. I don't know why they talk like this. Anyways, the rising volatility currently has a positive impact on Shib's price, and analysts have set a bullish target of 0.000009. So that is what the analysts say here at FX Street. They say that we're going to get there to 0.00000009. Hate saying all those zeros, but still, that's where they say we're going to get. Right now, Shiba Inu is ranked 53. We just keep dropping in rank here. We were 50 a few days ago, and now we're ranked 53. You know, we're down 1.96% for the last 24 hours, up 2.87% in the last 7 days. So Shiba Inu definitely has to do some things to, you know, come back on top. But I still have faith in Shiba Inu. I believe that it can still come on top. So anyways, as we look at this technical analysis, let me know in the comment section what you guys think is going to do. You think it's going to go down to our support line previously of the 656 area, that support line, or do you think it's going to get back up to this resistance and try to break out to the next resistance line at the 0.00008 area? So I believe it's going to go to the 100,000 place 8 area, and that's 0.00008. But anyways, yeah, it's definitely going to go up to that place. But let's talk about scams going on in Shiba Inu, because this is big right now. I want to make sure I alert you guys for the scams, and shout out to this Shibarmy member for actually doing this. His name is Balthrop Trevor, whatever you want to call him. Anyways, scam alert: mini Shiba, retro Shiba, and mini baby Shiba, all scams. Do not buy these tokens. Mini Shiba, retro Shiba, mini baby Shiba, they're all scams. They are not associated with or connected to Shiba's contract, and there's no such thing as a mini Shiba burn. So there are multiple Reddit accounts spamming its fake burning event and fake crypto offering. Other Reddit communities have already taken action to remove their malicious posts and harmful links. So they have nothing to do with Shiba Inu. So watch out for these 3 scams: mini Shiba, retro Shiba, and mini baby Shiba. All right. They didn't say baby Shiba Inu. Baby Shiba Inu is mentioned there. Baby Shiba Inu is not a scam. They actually, have some use cases that they're about to do. They're about to make a whole NFT platform. Shout out baby Shiba Inu. But yeah, let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing I wanted to say, look at this. I was told there would be Lambos. Look, anyone who's new to the Shibarmy, you will not make a Lamborghini. You will not get a Lamborghini off of this. The time to turn $100 into $1,000,000 for Shiba Inu was like 5 months ago. Like now, like it was about 5-6 months ago. But now you are not going to turn $100 to $1,000,000 right now. It's just not possible right now with Shiba Inu. It's not possible at all. So if you want to wait 30 years, yes, it could definitely be possible. But right now, people are like, oh, I want it to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen tomorrow. And for all the FUDERs, which are the FUD people, and this coin is dying people, and the FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Sheep just passed 650,000 holders, so that's a middle finger to all the people that are hating Sheep. Anyways, number one on the Weeble popularity list with 100,000 people watching it on Weeble popularity list. That's huge right there. Look at this, 100,000 people watching Sheep, top rank number one. Look at this, number one in the popularity list for all currencies on Weeble. Weeble actually has a lot of cryptos on there now. They even have Cardano, and it's above Cardano there. So that's actually really big news right there. And she just got put on there. So shout out to Weeble and shout out to Shiba Inu Army. And look over here. Come on, guys. We are trying to make a real profit, not a few bucks. She was hitting a nice uphill slope, but y'all folded for a couple of bucks. If we do this right, we can hit real numbers this year before Christmas hits. This is definitely true. Like, look, we have this huge rise in price. Not even huge. It's just little. We broke one channel. Like, we literally went up by one channel. And then like people just start selling out. Like, why? Why do people sell out when they see it just go up a little bit? That's the only reason why it goes down like this, because people sell out. Like, if you want to see my Shiba Inu, I still have my Shiba Inu, and I'm probably not going to show it because you guys probably can't even see it from my phone anyways, but I still have my Shiba Inu, and I'm on Voyager. If you guys want to check out Voyager, I don't have that much Shib. I have like 15.2 million Shib, if you can even see that. But yeah, 15.2 million Shib, which is only $109.99. But still, Shiba Inu, like, you still got to hold something in there. Like, I had way more on Shib, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to sell some of it. I lost so much money. Let me tell you guys, I went from $11,000. I went from $11,000 in Shiba Inu to about 3,000, and that's when everything went bad. I was in at 0.000034, so I was in at the peak. I watched it go all the way down to 0.000005, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna sell this. I ended up selling it, and then it went up a little bit, but not much, so I don't even regret selling it. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave $100 in here, because what I should have did, I should have only put like $1,000 in there at first, and then waited for it to do what it did, and then put all the big bag in there. But instead, I lost all that money. And the same thing happened to me in Dogecoin. So pretty upset about that. I'm down like $20,000, guys. But anyways, I'm not complaining about my situation, because we got a lot going on with Shiba Inu, with Dogecoin, and with Baby Doge, that I know I can make all that money back. And that's exactly what I intend to do. Still holding my crypto, still got diamond hands, still have stocks and everything. So we're good on this side, guys. But anyways, yeah, stop selling, because these paper hands people, they're messing us up. But yeah, let's move on to the next thing. And look, this was the little meme that we're doing. I was told there would be Lambos. Yes, I was definitely told there would be Lambos. And then I bought it, and then I actually missed my chance of getting a Lambo, because when I really think about it, instead, if I did that, if I would have took that the $11,000 from Sheep and then put it into Baby Doge, as if Baby Doge was rising, my $11,000, I did the math, it would have been somewhere at the point where I could have invested, it would have been somewhere around $100,000. So that's why I'm like, when these things like first come out, like I just now did a video about Baby Doge, talking about how they have something else coming in, or talking about how there's a little Baby Doge now. There's literally a crypto called Little Baby Doge, and I was talking about it. I'm like, look, if you can get in at the beginning of these projects, you can possibly make money if you know exactly when to sell. Like, if you look at it and you see it peak in like 1,000% plus, like, just sell it at that point. Sell it, wait for it to come back down, and then buy it again. That's the best thing to do whenever you get into these new cryptos. So that's how you get those Lambos. But anyways, Shiba Swap reached 34.5 million views. This is huge right here. 34.5 million views right here. ShibaSwap.com. Big news right here. Shiba Swap is going crazy. Everyone's viewing Shiba Swap. They're all going to the Shiba Swap site. And yeah, I wonder how much they're making off of ads. I don't even think Shiba Swap does ads because I don't think Shiba Swap even does Google ads. But if they did, just imagine how much money they would make off of Google ads with 34.5 million people viewing it. I mean, click through ratio or the yeah, is about, let's say the RPM is about $6 average for crypto ads. For ads that go on crypto videos, usually it's like $6 per thousand views. That's even what I make on my channel, $6 per thousand views, which really is not that much. But when you got 34.5 million, like, wow. This is what you want to do. 34.5 million. I love doing math here. And then you will divide it by 1,000 because it goes by 1,000 views, and you would multiply that by $6. They would be making $207,000 a month. Literally, they would be making $207,000 a month if Shiba Swap and did ads and stuff, which would kind of slow it down, and it would kind of bog it down a little bit, you know, because if you guys know about PooCoin, their website, they do ads, CoinMarketCap, stuff like that. They do ads. They make a lot of money off of ads. But yeah, if Shiba Swap did ads, Google ads, Shiba Inu Army, the Shiba Army, if you are watching this video, please, 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 please add ads to the Shiba Swap website. I will not be mad. I will not be angry about it. No one else will probably be angry about it. I want to see the whole Shiba Army getting money, even the developers, because that money the developers make off of the ads, they could literally take and invest it back into Shiba Inu, or they could, use it as a salary. Because let's be completely honest, $207,000 a month, like, I wish I could see that. And then daily, we don't even talk about daily. They're making $6,500 daily if they start doing ads. So yeah, definitely start doing ads, Shiba Army. I want to see Shiba Swap putting ads on their website. So yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I almost said we're not financial advisors. I know you guys aren't financial advisors either. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe. Helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, check out the link in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Get Shiba Inu on Webull. Put your free stock into that. Remember, you have to deposit $100 first to get your free stocks on Webull, and then you can take that money and put it into Shiba Inu once that money settles. And also, if you guys are on public.com or if you sign up with my link in the description, definitely follow me on public.com so you can follow my portfolio on my stocks, and I'll follow you guys as well to see what the army is doing, what the Shiba Army is doing with their stocks on public.com. And I'll be back with another video. And actually, before I end this, wouldn't you guys want to see a Shiba Swap stock? This would be huge. Shiba Swap stock. That would be big. If you guys could put this on Reddit, or if you could somehow get it to the developers, that would be much appreciated, because I would love to see a Shiba Swap stock. That would be groundbreaking. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you guys. Remember, not financial advisor, not financial advice. But yeah, I'll be back with another video. Peace.